Hi, this is Raxul and this is the review of custom ROM Iron OS Android 12 based custom ROM, right? About phone, Android version 12, right? Latest security update December 5th, 2021. The kernel is Angle Jaws, right? Iron project version MACD Animo, right? I have been using this custom ROM for 2 days and here is the battery stage. Screen on time 5 hour 48 minutes 73%. This is not a good battery backup from me. In DRM info you have security level L1. That is a good thing to have in smartphone. And in Play Store settings about you get device is certified out of the box. That is good. And in here Geekbench score history, and here this is the Geekbench score, multi-score 2639 and the single score is 734, right? This is a good score. Kernel is Angle Jaws and you have customization, the right customization here, dock house, right? You have status bar items, clocks, date, settings, quick settings, animation, this gesture is not working. Swipe 3 finger is not working here. And I haven't seen any major bug in this custom ROM. It is quite stable to use. And let's see as you get enforce. And here you get enforcing build. SE Linux status is enforcing, right? And you have this camera, the very basic stock camera. And quick settings, you have these items. You get screenshot gesture. You have free form. Android 12 theme icon is not working here. It's great, it's good, not so slow, not so fast. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video, and thanks for watching and thank you for your amazing support. Please keep supporting like this, and if you are new to this channel then please subscribe the channel if you enjoy watching this type of content like custom ROM flashing, custom ROM review. Then definitely hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free, right? I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.